Hey everyone, it's ALJT back again with another video. It has been a while since I last uploaded. I know it's been, I think it was last August I uploaded, which was a while. You know, with the world and the coronavirus pandemic and whatnot, I'd say it's been hard to upload, especially when I've been, you know, with the PC and whatnot. So I'm going to pick up from where I last left off, is with that. You may recognise it. It's the PC I was building last year. As you can see, it looks different to how it was going to look and how it may look in the intro, because that intro is from last year. But what I was going to do is give you a quick setup tour, because a lot of things have changed since I last uploaded. I had a tiny broken desk, now I've got a really big one, and obviously I had 2 monitors, now I have 3. So yeah, I just wanted to drop back in, say that I will be uploading more. I have got another PC build on the way in the next week to 2 weeks, okay? And I will be uploading hopefully weekly. I'm trying to make this a complete, you know, thing where I do upload weekly, okay? So let's start with the setup tour, I guess. Okay, to start, I have the 3 monitors here. I used to have 2. I used to have this one, and this one. This one was an orientation of portrait, and then this one was in landscape. But then I got my 3rd one here, got a new monitor stand. Makes me have complete 360 view. As you can see, there's the camera feed, so I know what I'm looking at, and you know, I can record the right things. Right down here, I've got a full 100% keyboard with a armrest, 2 RGB speakers. I love my RGB, as you can tell. Keyboard, speakers, PC, all the good. These speakers are Trust speakers. Trust speakers. What is it? CXT, I think. They're really nice speakers. I absolutely love them, and they're really good. And just a quick tap turns off the RGB. Perfect. So, as you can see, I've got my keyboard here. It is a blue keyboard. I like the clickiness. I like getting feedback from my keyboard when I'm typing or gaming, whatever it is. Here I have, it's hard to see, I don't know. I am recording with my webcam here from my PC. That's why it may be different, because the phone wasn't all the best to just hold in my hand, but oh well. So, it controls my LED strips that go all the way up the room. I'll make them dimmer so you can see them better. There you go, and you can see the control better. So, I'll make them a little bit brighter. So, over here is my mouse and mousepad. My mousepad's a little bit dirty because, you know, it's a mousepad, your hand's always on it. Again, mouse is RGB because I love it. And it's also made by Havit, yeah. It's not the best gaming mouse, but it does have 7 programmable keys, so it's perfect for what I need. So, carrying on with the setup, as you can see, I have my front panel off, so I can just reach in. You can see it does look completely different since I last, you know, had it. I had to get a completely new motherboard because the last motherboard, I didn't realise, only went up to 2600 megahertz RAM, and these are 3200 RAM sticks. So I had to get a new motherboard, new cooler. You know, everything changed. Motherboard is now an MSI Z390-A Pro, long name. I believe that the graphics card is different to the original one I was going to get. I think, yeah. That is an MSI 1660 Super Gaming X GTX. You can see there, it says GeForce GTX. Again with the RGB, love it. These fans are up here fans. They're not the best. They go to 1200 RPM, so it's what I need, but I cannot code them to look at the same RGB as the RAM. As you can see, it's all nice synced up and whatnot. The cooler is called a Scythe Mugen 5. It outperformed the well, I think it's the Corsair air cooler. It had 2 fans. Now, this only has 1, and it outperforms it. 12 zinc coated copper heat pipes. So, you know, I'm getting that a lot of the cooling. You remember the case? The kit, I've always had the same case, never changed. I did wire up my own lighting on the front, which I find is very nice. And I also turned the front fans off because they were static RGB, and it wasn't that nice. Planning on getting some more USB in here on the PCIe, but I don't know because it really loses the vibe of gaming PC, you know. Well, I'm using all the USBs on the back, so here and there. Next to it, I have my mic, which you're hearing from, which that's why I have the filter out of the way. But yeah, that's the mic you're hearing from again with all the cables on there, which is horrible. What hasn't changed is the power supply and the drives. They're all exactly the same. And then this changed. Also the core changed. I was originally going to go with an i3, but there's an i5 in there. So a lot changed since I last made my last video. But when I come out with that next computer build, which should be in 1 to 2 weeks, that will be an i3 build, and it'll be awesome because I can't wait. It'll be completely different to what I used to do, where I got each individual part, reviewed them, and then built it over time. It's going to be all parts in one place, build it then and there in one video. Just to the right here, you may have seen it, I've got my Oculus Quest 2, this is the last thing I just bought. I absolutely love it. If anyone's thinking of getting a VR or getting into VR, this is where to start. I absolutely love it. It's completely on its own, and then you can connect it to your PC if you want. People really do ask me, even though they have researched the headset, they've seen that it says all in one, but they still think it connects to the PC. It doesn't. It's all in one VR. I absolutely love it. There will be a review coming out on that of me probably playing Beat Saber or Gone or something. There will be a full video for its own in about a week or so. I just got to get this one edited and whatnot and up. So that's pretty much my entire setup. The 3 monitors, I went through my keyboard, mouse, speakers, and the PC. I will be linking everything that I have for my setup in the description, because I need everything in there in case you want to get anything. Again, these speakers are mint, keyboard's mint, depends what keys you want though. That's pretty much my entire video. Like I said, the desk changed. I used to have a horrible single desk. It didn't even fit my 3 monitors on, so I got this L-shaped desk that goes all the way around, and that is beautiful. There is one thing I have not shown yet, which I shall show now. The gaming chair. The most important piece of equipment in any gamer's room is their comfort. Okay, this gaming chair, it didn't cost loads. It cost under 100, but over 75. I forget how much it exactly cost, but I know it's around there. I'm not going to be spending like 120 quid on a gaming chair that I just sit on, But this comes with 2 pillows. Absolutely love it. Comfort is through the roof. Perfect chair. I will again be linking that in the description. Okay. What I should obviously do too is tag some of my videos in the top right of the video up here, because I can, and that'll get, hopefully you can see my old videos and then even see future ones. So yeah, that was just me dropping in to say that, for my subscribers I have now, dropping in to say that I will be uploading once again, because I have seen a few comments in the descriptions of some of the videos saying that where did you go and what happened and whatnot. So I just wanted to drop in and say that don't worry, 1 video per week at the moment, because I don't have enough money to make a bloody PC every week. I've got enough for next week, and then obviously review of the Quest back there, which I absolutely adore. I'll probably show everything to do with the Quest when I do that video, because I need to cover comfort, usability and whatnot. But yeah, so again, just jumping in to say I'm still here, I'm still alive. Just things happened for me to stop making videos, but now I'm back into it, because I stopped making videos at 7 subscribers, now I have 17. It's absolutely astonishing. I didn't do anything. What I should do is a full review again of this case, because that video is my most viewed video, because of the how many people watch it. I think it's on my analytics. It's about 1,700 views, and it's my most viewed video. So yeah, I'll probably do an entire, about a half a year into it, review of this case, because it is pretty good. There is some downsides to it, so I'll probably do a video on its own for that. And then we'll go into some videos on just, you know, miscellaneous videos like how to set up 3 monitors and then stuff like that. Okay, so well, that was me just dropping in. I will catch you next week or whenever I make my next video, which will not be more than a week, I promise. I will not just suddenly disappear forever again. That will not happen, hands down. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I hope you stay tuned for the next video. Like I say, I'm going to do the video on the Quest 2, a full new PC build for the YouTube, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave the link in the description for my social media and the parts, well, you know, parts for the setup in case you would like any. It was just a quick setup to it because there's not really much to a setup, is there? It's just monitors, you know, and everything else. But thanks for watching nonetheless. I will keep everything stay tuned, and hopefully I will have my next video up real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.